Hi everyone, welcome to Beads by Adorn tutorials. I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful flat matin necklace. It's a really simple design and well, you're going to see that. Let's just get right to it. Making use of fishing line in 0.35, an extension hook, my plier and my cutter of course, and the beads in 6mm crystal rondelles. Okay, so what you need to do first is cut an arm's length of fishing line. Something you can handle. Well, it could be longer than an arm's length, but I don't think you need more than that. Or short. If it's shorter, you're going to add more. What you do is fold your line into two equally and place the jump ring of your extension hook in the middle. And then you want to put one bead. You want to put one bead in both lines. So you're putting both lines in one bead. Like that. And then you're going to tie a knot. Going to tie a knot now just to secure the hook. I like to tie a double knot, so here we go again. Okay. And then now I'm going to add another bead into both lines. So putting both lines in one bead again. So looks like this. The hook is secure and you're good to go. So the next step is to put one bead in the left line and another bead in the right line. In the right line, and then you pick another bead. You can place it either in the left or right, and then you pass the second line in the same bead. So now you're having two lines in one bead. As you can see, let me just get this. So it kind of forms a square. So in the line you have four beads. In each pattern rather, you have four beads, and really that's what you're going to continue with. So for the next step, you're going to add one on the left, one on the right, and two lines in one bead. One on the left, one on the right, two lines in one bead. One on the left, one on the right, two lines in one bead. Over and over again. So I'm just going to show you a few more times, and then that's it. So here we go. One on the left, one on the right, and then another to interlock. You can make use of a needle for this design, but I don't see it necessary. It's a really simple design. The bead holes are large enough, you don't need a needle. But if you like to work with needles, you can use it. It will definitely make your work easier. So one on the left, one on the right, one to interlock, and make sure to pull your beads tight. If not, your work is going to come out looking rough and loose. So you want to pull it really tight for this design. Makes the beauty come out more. So you just keep going, and this is where I'm at right now. One on the left, one on the right, one to interlock. Just keep going till you reach whatever length you want. So if you want to use it as a choker mid neck, you can, and if you want a full necklace, you could make it to 16 inches. So here we go. Then you interlock. So now I've gotten to the length that I want, so I'm going to close it. So what I've done now is, when I got to the last part, I added two beads and then tied the knots. So here, no interlocking, just two beads, no third bead to interlock, just tie a knot, and then pass the beads in the next one, whichever one the next one is. Then put one bead on the left, one bead on the right, so it kind of looks like the opposite of what we did in the beginning. Then tie another knot. Make sure you tie your knot really tight. You don't want the knots to look loose. And then you put one bead, put your lines in one bead, both lines this time around, just like we did at the beginning. Then another. So this is what it looks like. This is, if you remember how the beginning looked, exactly like this. Then you want to take the other jump ring on the other side. You see, now you have to be really careful here not to put the line in the first jump ring, or in the hook itself. So there's something I like to do here. I like to double it, so I put the line back in the jump ring after bringing it out the first time. So put it in back inside. It tightens it, and then I pass it back into the beads. Pass the lines back into the beads. There. So you can pass it, for as long as you want. You can pass it way in, keep going through the patterns, and you can just tie a knot wherever you are. So whichever way you think is comfortable is okay. Let me just get this. So there, the necklace is complete. You just want to, I'm just going to pass it one or two more times, till I'm satisfied, and then I can tie a knot neatly. The hole is tight. At this point, a needle, if I were working with a needle, this point would be really easy, because something is blocking it there. So I'm just going to tie it off wherever I am right now, make a loop, and just tie the knot. As I said earlier, you can do it either way you want. I was going to pass it a little more, but the line is the whole of the bead is, that particular bead is too small. We're going to tie it off here, and there you have it. I'm just going to cut neatly. So you can, I wouldn't advise to tie your knot more than twice. It could make your work and look rough. So I'm just going to tighten it and then cut. So there you have it. Our necklace is complete. As I said earlier, it's really simple design and elegant. You can just wear it as a choker, you can wear it as a necklace, mid neck, full neck, anyhow you like it, really. So thanks for watching. I hope you've learned from this, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment or send me a DM. or call. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.